Good day, sir. My name is Fitzgerald Elquijano from BSMT2 Block C. Today we're gonna talk about barometer and weather vane. What is a barometer? Barometer are used to monitor forecast weather changes by measuring the pressure in the atmosphere. So in other words, a barometer is an instrument that helps seafarers to identify the weather with its capability of measuring the pressure in the atmosphere. So it is very important in vessels to have this instrument to be more aware and careful when sailing. This slide is where we can see barometers in ships. So this is usually seen in bridges. There are two types of barometer. So one is aneroid barometer and mercury barometer. So both estimates the weather, but we're only going to focus on aneroid barometer since it is the one being used on ships. So aneroid barometer is a device for measuring atmospheric pressure without the use of fluids. It consists of partially evacuated metal chamber, the thin corrugated lid of which is displaced by variations in the external air pressure. So how does it works? So as you can see here, we have the atmospheric pressure, the, the atmospheric pressure, the sealed aneroid cell. So this sealed aneroid cell will receive the atmospheric pressure here. So it moves, and the pointer reacts on it. So it will move to the scale. So this atmospheric pressure comes from the uh, nature. So next we have the basic parts of aneroid barometer. So the pointer, weather, which is the circular scale. So as what I've explained earlier, with the aneroid cell is this one. When an aneroid cell receives atmospheric pressure, so this is the pointer. It moves from the circular scale. So for example here, we have the reading that the weather is fair, so it has less chance of raining. So we have next the weather vane. So what is a weather vane? Weather vane or wind vane is a weathercock. It's an instrument used for showing directions of the wind. So we have here we have this in elementary, so it is so basic for us to explain. So how does it works? So we have basic part, the ornament. This is for only for beautification only. So we have pointer, this one, or the direction, the north, west, south, and east. So like for example, we have the wind coming here from the right to the left. So for example, this is not still pointing here. For example, it is pointing here pa. So when the wind blows from here to here, here to here, so this will go to that direction and face it here. So the reading of this will be the wind is going to the west. So you can see it there. It is usually put in the toughest part of the vessel so that it will work on its purpose. So that is all. Thank you.